I'm at the Westin Lagunamar, and in this video, we're going to tell you what we like and what we don't like about this beautiful property here in Cancun. Let's check it all out right after this. All right, I'm here on the bridge between the upper pool and what is ultimately the infinity pool here at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun to talk about our very first like, and that just happens to be the magnificent pools here at this resort. We have the upper pool that also has the water slide. There is a small kids waiting pool, and then behind me over here we do have the infinity pool. Fabulous pool, great big huge infinity edge there. A magnificent place to kind of just hang out and spend the day here at the resort. Over on the other side of the property, we also have kind of their smaller, a little bit quieter pool. So if you're looking for a little bit quieter experience, although over here it's been pretty quiet too, just a little bit busier, but over there kind of not quite as busy and a little bit more relaxed. No infinity edge, but they do have a zero entry section. So if you have mobility issues, maybe small children, might be a little bit easier getting in and out of the pool with zero entry. Yeah, that's the number one thing that we love about this resort here at the Westin Lagunamar, the fantastic and beautiful pools. Now, before we get too much further into this video, I want to take an opportunity here to tell you about something that you can take advantage of if you're planning to stay here at the Westin Lagunamar. Don't pay those high prices on Marriott.com or even many of those other outside travel agents like Expedia, Travelocity, and all of those. You can actually save some money and visit our friends and partners over at Red Timeshares. They have dozens of listings for the Westin Lagunamar, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, studios. You can go there, book direct, pay online, with no additional booking fees. So take advantage of that and book through them. Scan the QR code right here on the screen to go over to their website, see all the listings for the Westin Lagunamar, or you can also click on the link in the description box below. It'll take you right there. Book with them. Like I said, no additional booking fees. I'd like to thank Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video. Now let's continue on with what we like and don't like about Westin Lagunamar. All right, I'm sitting here on a pool lounger for like number 2. That just happens to be talk about the poolside food and beverage service. If you tend to go to a lot of resorts in Florida, that kind of thing, they have certain rules and laws against serving food too close to a pool. Many resorts don't even offer it. They may have a little thing where like you can scan a QR code and they'll maybe bring it to you. But here it's great. People are walking around taking orders and they'll bring food and beverage to you. So that's kind of handy. Really nice thing to have. You can just eat at your pool chair instead of maybe having to kind of pack up or go up and order your food and go up and pick it up and it comes to you in like a takeout container. They do provide poolside food and beverage service. Really nice thing. And now, leading off of food and beverage, let's head over here to Viento and we'll talk about the next like. If you love traveling and making the most of your timeshare, you're going to want to be sure to join the free destination timeshare community over on SKOOL. It's the perfect place for like-minded owners who want to get the most out of what they own. Connect with an active community of members from around the world, people just like you. It's a place to hang out, learn, share experiences, and get helpful tips from other owners. Also over there, you're going to find a classroom with resources, courses, knowledge bases, plus the option to sign up for expert consultation. You can also check out the members map and weekly events on the community calendar. And best of all, there's no ads and no algorithms pushing you content like you see on all those other social media platforms. Just a great community of timeshare enthusiasts. Exactly what social media was meant to be. It doesn't cost you anything to join. So scan the QR code right here on the screen or use the link in the description below and we'll see you inside the best timeshare community over on SKOOL. All right, I'm now here right in front of Viento, another main on-site pool bar restaurant here at the resort. They also have Duna Pool Bar over on the other side of the property. I want to talk about this as a like because they actually have a pretty good happy hour advertised here at the resort from 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon here at Viento and over at the Duna Pool Bar. Keep in mind, it's the Duna Pool Bar. They have 30% off of most cocktails and draft beer. So if that's the kind of thing you like to take advantage of, be sure to take advantage of that here at the resort. Again, from 3 to 4. And then if you like, you can dry off, go inside the Duna Sports Bar. That's the sports bar kind of over on the other side of the property. Inside there from 5 to 6, they actually have a happy hour as well. So 2 happy hours here at the restaurants. Certainly much better than many happy hours that we see advertised, which is $1 or $2 off of a drink that would normally cost like 20 bucks. Here they do also have resort style pricing, but the drinks aren't quite that as expensive, but just keep that in mind. So still a great happy hour. And another thing here, if you're an owner, you will get or should get an owner discount card. And even if you're not an owner, maybe talk to your resort concierge, see if they can hook you up. It provides 20% off of all of the restaurants here at the resort, though it doesn't include the specialty theme nights at Oceano, which is their main restaurant that serves breakfast and dinner. It does provide 20% off of breakfast, just not the dinner theme night. So that's like the taco party, steak night, that kind of thing. It also does not include the Tierra Market, which is their marketplace here on property. We got a couple frappuccinos there the other day. Asked if we could get the discount. They said it does not include that, just the food at the restaurants. So not beverages, not alcohol, just food. Keep that in mind. But yeah, we like that about this resort, even though it's not quite as good as it used to be in the past. Their happy hour was actually 50% off of most drinks as well. So it actually got a little bit less not so good after Marriott Vacations Worldwide kind of took everything over. You know, boo on Marriott. But happy hour, owner discounts, a great thing we love about this resort here in Cancun. All right, I've come out here, street side, in front of the noisy street, out in front of the Westin Lagunamar to talk about our next like, and that just has to be the location of this property right here in the heart of the Cancun hotel zone. Across the street from me here, you have La Isla Shopping Center, upscale mall where you can do a lot of shopping, dining, and so much more. Plenty of restaurants over there to take advantage of as well. And many of them you might actually get a discount at by being a guest here at Lagunamar. Yeah, we love the location here. Just a short walk across the street. So many different options. Or the bus stop is actually just up here as well, so you can take advantage of that and go up and down the hotel zone here for only 12 pesos per ride. So extremely cheap buses here. They're fast, they're frequent. They often are racing each other on the road here. You can see it's a really busy street, so take advantage of the crosswalk here and certainly obey the crosswalk sign. But now that I've told you about the wonderful location here, we're gonna go back into the resort and talk about some more likes that we have here at this property. Okay, so I've gone all the way from street side over here to beach side to talk about our fifth like, and that actually happens to be the great beach that they have here, and the fact that they have lots of palapas, plenty of beach loungers, and guess what? There's no cost to rent them or use them. A lot of resorts, especially you'll notice in the United States, there's usually some type of beach vendor set up. They provide chairs, they provide umbrellas, and they charge like 40 bucks a day, 35 bucks a day, sometimes even $75 a day or more. It's kind of ridiculous. So here you can come out, put up an umbrella, put out your towels, and kind of feeding off one of those previous likes, they do also provide food and beverage service down here on the beach. So really great beach here. Really like that you don't necessarily have to pay to use a chair, because that's kind of annoying. It saves you a little bit of money while you're on vacation. But see behind me here, the beautiful resort, which is the Westin Lagunamar. Now let's jump on to our next like. Okay, from the beach to the lobby, which actually has just recently been renovated here at the Westin Lagunamar, to talk about our next like. And that just happens to be the wonderful Westin scent here that they have at the Westin Lagunamar. This isn't something necessarily unique to the Westin. Well, it kind of is, but you can actually buy it for your own home, and we actually did that. We bought the scent machine, and we have the Westin scent at home certain times when we're there. Yeah, we love the lobby here, the Westin scent, and that famous Westin scent is actually white tea with wood cedar and vanilla. Really, really great scent as soon as you step through the doors here at the Westin Lagunamar. Now that we've talked about those, let's head upstairs to our room, and we're going to talk about our last two likes and also the only two dislikes we have here at this resort. Okay, I'm now up here on our balcony to talk about our next and final two likes that we have here at the Westin Lagunamar. First one just happens to be what's behind me, and that is the fantastic views. But let's not look at me while I'm talking about this. Let me turn the camera around and we'll show you what I'm seeing. Yeah, so here we have the fantastic views. You can see out there the Caribbean Sea, the beautiful turquoise waters here in Cancun. And we're over here on the main section or main side of the resort. So we have the upper pool here and the infinity pool down there. So great pool views as well. And you'll notice you're really not going to have bad views from most any unit here at the resort. The property kind of in a W shape because we have this kind of U shape where I'm at right now. Then over on the other side, there's another one as well. So kind of a W if you're looking at it from maybe above or from Google Maps. There are a few zonker views. I did do a video about that quite a while ago on this channel. I'll put a link to it up there in the upper right. It's over here in one of these buildings. So there are some villas that aren't quite as good view-wise. But as long as you're in a villa, probably third, fourth floor and above, you're not going to have the trees in your way, and you're going to have fantastic views just like this. And while we're still looking at these views, I'll talk about our other like. And that just happens to be non-all-inclusive. So this resort, unlike many others here in Cancun, it is not all-inclusive. So that gives you the opportunity to try the different restaurants here if you like. Head across the street to the La Isla Shopping Center, as I talked about earlier in this video. Try the many restaurants there, or take the bus or even a cab up and down the Cancun hotel zone, or even head into downtown Cancun if you're adventurous enough, and check out and try out all of the different restaurants here. Because something that's kind of all-inclusive, that doesn't necessarily prevent you from doing, but I mean, you've paid for the food, you've paid for the drinks, you're gonna probably wanna stick to the resort and their restaurants that they have. So one nice thing here at Cancun, no all-inclusive. And unfortunately, many properties, many timeshares or resorts, if you're exchanging through RCI or Interval International, have mandatory all-inclusive fees that makes it extremely expensive, sometimes thousands and thousands of dollars to book and use your timeshare to go to an all-inclusive resort. And in reality, you could just pay the same amount or less in cash and book directly through a travel agent or online website. So we really love here the non-all-inclusive nature of the Westin Lagunamar. Now that we've seen that, let's head inside the room here, because there's just really two dislikes we're going to talk about, and we'll do that next. So I'm here in the unit now to talk about our two dislikes of this property. And the first one just happens to be that the studio units only have a queen size bed. If you're a couple and you're used to just sleeping in a king, well, it's pretty hard to get used to a queen. In fact, we originally had a studio unit booked, and we've stayed in studio units here before, and we realized we really don't want that, so we actually booked the one bedroom. I was able to show you that in that room tour video, even though there's probably enough room that they could squeeze in a king, and king is kind of the standard. But the other one here in this unit is there's no ovens in any of the units here at the Westin Lagunamar. So the full one bedroom, which is part of the two bedroom lock off, no oven. So if you wanted to bake anything, if you bought some groceries, maybe just some cookies or frozen pizza or anything that you might bake, maybe make a lasagna while you're on vacation, just definitely limits your options for cooking in the unit here. Of course, plenty of restaurants around here, so you may not even cook in your unit, and that's probably why they didn't bother putting one in, because not too many people are going to use it anyway. So yeah, those two things here just are two dislikes, which really isn't all that significant, because we really, really do love this property. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps out these videos. And to see another video from here at the Westin Lagunamar, it's going to be our tips for your next trip here. Check it out here, right there. Click on that, come up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.